Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Greasy Garage after another year. Today, Jacob's here. He's back from the land of enchantment, Arizona. Moved back to California. So we're doing Street Faction bash bars front and rear for the turd. Only reason why we're filming a new video today is Jacob's girlfriend wanted us to. She's our #1 fan. Isn't that right, Jacob?
It's the truth.
Yeah. So we're gonna slip this bad boy in and bolt it off.
Do you want to go over anything that hasn't yet been done to the car that is new?
We took the bumper off. Anything new? I did just put a Street Faction gauge pod in here. The car, it has a fully built SR20 now, top and bottom. The rooftop's painted, bumper's painted. There's a thing there. So we got an SR in here now, fully built head to toe. That's pretty much it. It starts fucking like it has a boost leak or something.
What do you have on the top end and on the bottom end? I know you have Brian shower cams.
Okay, so we got Brian Crower 264 cams. I think it's a stage 2 with a what is that? Their titanium retainer kit with upgraded springs, and then we have Wiseco pistons and why is there a wrench in the towel drawer? Wiseco pistons and Manley rods, higher compression, and actually it's all in the video of the built-in bottom end, the assembly. You guys know we forged the bottom end, and I took it out for the first drive, and then the head blew up, so now it's got an upgraded head. So yeah, time to put this bash bar on, and now I could crash into things. Let's start her, mate. Put her on. Started good. Let's do this. Everybody, look. Watch it. This is a bouncy bitch. That's what you get with Amazon coilovers. They ride fine though, I think. Watch this thing just fucking fall on me right now. Cheese and rice, Rick! She's fucking ready to get sent into a wall. Let's do the front now. Alright, we're still terrible at this as usual, everybody. The front one's on. Went on a lot faster than the rear. I miraculously had the hardware here. If you guys have been watching long enough, I never had a crash bar on this car, so I had to find some hardware that would fit. So that's all good now, I think. So all we gotta do is just tighten this rig up and go run into people. Alright, now it's 100% on. Looks like a fucking car now. Crash bar, now I'm not afraid to do things with it. This one's pretty sturdy too. Fucking shatters my windshield. But I don't think I showed anybody. So we got AFR and water temp. Got to order a boost gauge still, but I didn't film putting those in. So the rear's on. Just threw the bumper up there just to see. quick release bumper. But I gotta rebolt the exhaust up. Cause on the inside, there's like these little bolts in here that were in the way. These things, so we had to knock these bad boys off. But all good. Alright, boys and girls, I'm gonna end this video here. You know, it was just a simple install. Put the bash bars on, they just bolt right in. I will put the bumpers on eventually, but I think it looks kind of cool with the bars just hanging out. So, next thing on our agenda here, this is a manual swap. Got for Jacob's car. It's automatic. And then this is a CD09 for that eventually. But, let's go in this with Jacob since he's back now. Oh, good. Jacob!
I mean, what the fuck, dude?
What are we doing to your car soon?
We're manual swapping my E46.
Yes. Alright, so it's been a while, but I want you guys to fucking smash that like button. Kill the hell out of that subscribe button. Send her off, Jake.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Follow the build.
Follow the
There's
build.
more to come.
Like we always do. Fucking.
More content.
We'll see you guys next year with a new video. So, peace out.